What's going on, guys? This is Steve, and we're going to talk about the 4 reasons LinkedIn can actually 3x your business if you use it correctly, okay? So we're going to go through 4 different reasons or 4 ways that you can actually use LinkedIn to make a massive improvement in your business. So let's go ahead and go through them. First one is organic reach. So what is organic reach? What does that mean? Organic reach, let me spell that. Organic reach actually only means that when you post a status or when you post a video, when you post an attachment on LinkedIn, it's gonna show it to more of your connections than it would on another platform. Say Facebook, for example, right? When I put a video on LinkedIn, I'm gonna be exposed to more of my connections than I would be on, say, Facebook, right, or Instagram, okay? So if I have content, if I have video content, it's advantageous for me to actually post it on LinkedIn because I'm getting in front of more people. So just organically from that standpoint, it makes more sense to post content on LinkedIn because you're gonna be in front of more people. So that's the first thing. Second thing, profile optimization. So profile optimization, what does that mean? On LinkedIn profile, it gives you the ability to give yourself a full and complete headline where you can speak to your client or your customer about exactly what it is you do, or to your industry on exactly how it is you can help them. You actually get a full about section that's over, I believe, 5,000 characters long, where you can explain exactly what it is you do, how you do it, and why you do it. So when a person visits your profile, they can actually see if you're a good fit for them. So if you understand how to optimize that profile, you're gonna have people actually reaching out to you as opposed to you having to reach out to them. Okay, so LinkedIn profile optimization is a great thing that you need to also do if you're using LinkedIn. Also, it allows you to put video clips and links to your website to give people even more information about what you do. So all these things working together make your LinkedIn profile very powerful if you understand how to set it up. Okay. Third thing is pass what they call gatekeepers, right? So the ability to pass a gatekeeper. So what is a gatekeeper? It could be a front desk receptionist or administrative assistant, a personal assistant, that normally if you would call a business, they're gonna screen the call, ask you what it's about, decide whether or not they want to connect you with the business owner or the president or whoever it is you're trying to contact. Okay, on LinkedIn, you have direct access to that person to give them your message, right? And I don't condone spamming people, because that actually doesn't work. But if you want to actually give value to someone, you can send it directly to them through LinkedIn. You simply have to understand how to use a search function to find the specific type of client that you want, and then actually connect with them and send them a message, typically giving them a lead magnet or a video training or something, a case study, something that they can see that might actually help their business. So LinkedIn allows you to bypass those gatekeepers just by having the connections with that person on LinkedIn. And then the fourth one, is automation. Now, obviously with automation, you can do this the right way and the wrong way. The wrong way is to use LinkedIn automation to just send out links and spam and send everybody to your website, and you will be written off as basically a spam account when people connect with you. The right way is to use your automation to connect with people in order to send them to free content or send it to something that can help them right there, right then and there. Okay? What will happen is a percentage of those people that you send messages to will reach back out to you about projects or ask you if they can get help on specific projects. Just because you reached out to them and gave them help without them having to pay for it or do anything, go jump through any loops to give them value, okay? So these are 4 keys as to 4 key reasons that LinkedIn can actually 3x your business, okay? If you use these 4 keys, you'll be able to pick up clients. And the best thing, 9 times out of 10, there'll be clients that reach out to you, okay? So understanding how to apply these things and use LinkedIn to apply these 4 keys is gonna really explode your business, okay? If you want more information about how to do this, there's actually have a free training on how to optimize your profile. You can click on the link below this video to see it. It doesn't require any email in order for you to view it, but I go into about 15 to 20 minutes on how to take your LinkedIn profile and optimize it so that you can actually increase the amount of business you do on LinkedIn. Okay, so again, if you want to see that, just click the link below. This is Steve with Momentum Marketing Tips. Don't forget we're on Facebook as well, Momentum Marketing Tips Group. And I will see you all next time. Have a good one.